rain jacket in
Oh.
my bag. In my curl. The one I got from the place.
Yeah. We're going to camping right now. We're just at the car.
Where
We're not
are you
there.
going?
We're going to bed. We go there.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
2026 camping. How many years have we been going there? Maybe this is the fourth year ba to?
But I wish that Enzo was there.
Yeah, the last two Enzo was there.
You should
Or
call
the last
Enzo.
three.
You should call Enzo later.
I wish that Enzo was there.
Hey, we're back at camp.
Hi guys, we're back at Canmore.
What day is it?
Oh wait, that's right. Yes, definitely. That's fine.
Okay. We're bringing your baby. Don't drop her like a million times like last time.
No, last time I dropped them like maybe
Park
8
here.
times.
Open homes.
Insect time. What's up?
It's a sad day to be happy.
What are we doing here?
So we're gonna this is our stop. We're gonna go to W.
No, we won't.
Oh, you
Or
what?
we won't. But we were looking at W. There's only one stop here, and it's here. Happened that where we went last time.
Yeah,
The
it's a taco place from last time. Let's go there. May bakery sila for pets. This Maya place.
Humanity. Their icon, Humanity Cafe. Community Cafe.
Unity.
Look at those flowers.
Ganda, no? Tingnan yung flowers natin.
Your picture of flowers?
Maruport Kitchen. Oh, Filipino nga. Maruport. Pansit. Sisig. Barbecue. Mamaya, sarado pa sila. Ice cream. Daming ice cream. Malamig pa.
Mama, Mama, Riley's taking her nap.
It's a good idea, no?
So I don't keep on dropping her nap.
Ito pala yung bayan. This place where I gotta come out. Hindi. Ayan, yung sweater. Ito, dito tayo kumain
We
huli.
want to eat there again
Mexican?
so we have memories.
So we have memories. Why? We
We're
have
like,
mem-
I
ito
remember
na. Tingin tayo ng bahay na bibili natin dito. You pick the house, huh? But when we move here, it's so cheap, right? Millions. See?
When you're a millionaire,
Oh, when you're a millionaire,
you'll
na
you'll
to
see
buy and get a
And
vacation,
I'll bring you in.
Yeah.
And
buy a vacation house here, okay?
I'll see if I'm able to. And I'm still in Canada. My child will still be amazing. I told her last time, remember that?
Ooh. Pwede tayo kumain doon sa yung sa classic, yung bagel.
Papa, we have never been to the beaver's tail, right?
Yeah. I don't know what that is.
It looks like it has like some food.
the middle of the street.
Wow.
Sana hindi umulan. Bago tayo kumain. Meron din silang Indian restaurant. Ito yung lagi namin kinakainan na coffee shop, bagel. Kaya lang, puno lagi, punong-puno, may pila. Itong Indian, walang kumakain. So, tignan natin saan tayo kakain. Doon lang may river, pupunta kami doon next.
Kind of looks like Percy, but with a sucker.
Oh, ang laking bear. Ang laking bear, oh.
Kind of looks like Percy, but with like
Bernard. Pangalan niya, Bernard. Bernard. Ito, mga bahay dito. Pero nandito pa rin tayo sa town. Kanina lang. Dito sa kabilang kalye lang. Kala mo malayo na sa down, dun sa town nila. Sisilip tayo. Ito yata ang daan. Saan ba daan yan eh? Kita mo? Hindi ba yan?
Ayan.
Yung daan papunta sa river? Or doon? Pwede ata dito. May pathway dito. Yung babaan. Ayun eh. Wala palang babaan dito. Baba lang. Gusto niyo bababa dyan? Kaya mo ba?
Oo, kaya.
Ako muna. Doon na lang siguro. Baka mataas. Mataas ah. Mataas baka masakit. Ayun lang pala eh.
up.
Pumalon pa tayo.
Mama,
Yeah.
is this abstract up?
Ito. Mga ka-Berks.
Look at the view. Look at the view.
Tingnan natin. You're not joking? Are you joking? No joke, no joke. Kanya, blue na blue.
We went the wrong way.
Yani, gusto niyang malaman malamig yung tubig. Nasaan ba yung upuan ko? Upo ako dito.
It's like more sandy at the front. There's a tiny bit like more brown. And at the back it's blue.
Yan. Careful ah. Hindi ko alam gaano kalamig ang tubig. Tingnan mo na. Ah, okay lang. Di naman pala ganun kalamig. Oh, it is cold but not as cold as hindi naman parang ice water, right?
Can I try?
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Picture of us, yan. May take a selfie yan. Sama mo kami. Sama mo kami.
Romantic.
No, the all of us. Yeah. Are you able to take video na? Here.
I'm on my tippy toes. I am a
Ayan,
flip.
pwede kang mag-camping. Ay, pwede kang mag-picnic mo. Daming upuan din. Ayan, buong araw. Ayan, umaambon na. Umaambon na. May forecast ng tornado. Pero hindi naman yata dito sa Banff. Sa ibang part ng Alberta.
There's a tornado.
Possible, yeah. Dito may pauulan o konti-konti. Few millimeters. But, it's all good. Right? It's all good. Little rain. It will not scare us away, right? Ikaw na? Yan. Makita mo yung mga yung Three Sisters. Kasi nakita mo, Three Peaks. Three Sisters.
I thought it was actually like three sisters carved it.
Haling Peak.
One,
Ano ba yan?
two.
Makikita mo doon? Compare. Oo nga, no? Oo nga, yan. Oo. Nasaan yung Haling Peak? Itong number 4. Saan siya? Ito. Ano? Yeah, I think it's ibang angle to eh. Oh, ito. Oh, yeah. Ito ay Haling Peak. Tapos ito yung number 6. Itong Mount Randall. Ito. Siya. Ayan. Si Ninong Troy. I think he climbed most of them. Hike. You wanna go hiking?
You can.
Tito Troy? Huh? It's hard. Saan tayo pabalik? Dito tayo dumaan. Shortcut na tayo.
Yeah, because then we're gonna get super hungry, and then you'll be like, it's slow. Mama, why is the orange right
Ayan, may pathway dito. Hindi, yan lang. May daanan. Ah, di ba? Pwedeng mag-picnic dito, no? Problema lang dito yung parking. $5 per hour. Parang ganun. Ewan ko kung maximum ng whole day. Sobrang mahal. Kaya maganda bumili na ng bahay dito. Mura-mura yung mga bahay dyan.
When I fall on you, then you'll also fall.
Nasa kabilang kalye lang yung downtown. Naglakad lang tayo ng 2 minuto. Yan. Diyan tayo galing yung river. Tapos ayan na uli. Kaninang taon. Mga rental. Tapos pag end of summer, binebenta din nila yan. Naka-sale. Mountain bike. Sa araw, $100. $100 rental per day. Kakain muna tayo. Saan tayo kakain? Parang bagong restaurant to dito, no? Anong pangalan? KFC. Try natin.
Food cafe?
Baka tignan natin. Ano meron?
Didn't try that. Didn't try that direction. No.
Yum.
Yeah. I think it's really
10 out of 10.
well, I'm not really tea. I'm 2 o'clock. Scott, tell.
Daming tutubi. Johnson Lake. Ito na sa Banff. Sabi nung pinapakinggan naming guide, malamig daw yung tubig. Pero may nagsiswimming, ha? Testing mo nga yan, gaano kalamig yung tubig. Sabi nun sa tour guide, malamig daw di ba? Pero tingnan mo, ha? May signal pa ba dito? Wala na siguro signal dito. You wanna swim, Yona?
No, I don't know how.
Test the water. Oh. Yung tubig dyan pumupunta dito. Ginaya nila to sa, they copied this from Auburn Lake, right? May mga picnic tables pala dito. Pwede ka mag-picnic.
Look at the flowers.
Oh, poison ivy. No. How do you know flowers are safe?
You always know that dandelions are safe.
What? Dandelions.
Like a dandelion.
Oh, marami pang pwedeng mag... Hindi ko alam saan ka pa pwede mag-hike papunta dito. Oh?
Dating mo sa
Johnson Lake.
Banff ka na.
Nasa Banff na to.
Doon sa Tano
Ah.
Mahabang na talaga. That also was probably
How long of a ride until we go to the campsite? How long will the ride be?
1 hour. We're close by, but we're just going around because we still have time before the check-in. Tingnan mo yun, Doc. Zach will go first in. Will he?
I want to see a doggy food.
Ang ganda ng tutubi, no? Color blue. Ganda. Ganda ng tunog. Hindi ko alam hanggang saan ka pwede maglakad dito. Nakaabot. Next time. Mabuti na lang kulimlim eh.
The doggy is not in the water.
Oh, mga bata naglalaro ngayon. Balik na tayo, ah. Lipat naman tayo sa iba. Ayan. Lake Mininiwangka.
Like, yeah, where am I?
Did you know the meaning of Mininiwangka is spirit water? Did you know?
We did not hear that in the car.
What? What do you mean?
Now, I'm a squirrel. Where am I? Where my daddy's squirrel?
This is the largest lake in Banff. Yan. Did you know?
Test ko lang sa'yo.
Yan.
Mosquito tsaka ano. Take. Let's see if it will be up.
Oh, it's eating something. It's actually
What?
eating.
Ganda. Kakaiba yun. Ngayon lang ako nakakita sa kuya lalaga ng color, no? Yani, did you see that?
Ito pa sila ng coach natin.
Baka si Pip yan. Did you know that Lake Minnewanka means like spirit water? Yani? Did you know? How did I know that? Because I've been here. See? Welcome. So, see where ito yung mga hikes. Ito, 1.5 kilometer lang.
But are we gonna hike?
Right now. 8-hour hike. Let's go. Ah, yun yung bus. Papuntang bukas mas mainit. Ayan na ang lake. Boat tours. I think some people go on boat tours. cruise. Okay.
Oh, that must be the biggest boat in this whole Canada, right?
Yes. You're right. How did you know?
I am smart, that's how I know.
Ang dami pang tao to. So, picture taking.
Oh, that was fast.
Init, no? Ah.